Hey everyone, Rarity here, time for another blind commentary. And today we're looking at a 3-minute video called Nuclear Bubble Wrap Nightmare by Albino Blacksheep on YouTube. This was suggested by Lyra Harpist, I am Snowblind, and that fat guy across the street. And I really have no idea what to expect from this. Odd title, hopefully it'll be good though. Anyway, let's get started. Okay. Interesting. No ponies yet. Okay, here it goes. Yes. Wow. Looks kind of like Rainbow Dash. Yeah. Taking it a little farther. Oh. Okay, and now we got Pinkie Pie. There we go. Rainbow Dash 2. Doing the Sonic Rainboom. Twilight. Yeah, got Flutters and Rarity too. Let there be no Applejack. Wow. Yeah. That took a pretty bleak turn. Really? Wow. But sometimes our dreams just aren't meant to come true. Yeah. There we have it. So, yeah, a bit of a cautionary tale there, I guess, for all the people in the fandom who get far too attached and obsessed with things. I enjoyed it. Grim, but charming for how over-the-top and silly it was, and pretty funny, too. And yeah, there was no Applejack. Only one of the main 6 who was excluded. Even videos made by people outside the fandom support the background pony thing, I guess. At least sometimes. Anyway, cute video. Hope you liked the commentary. Let me know if you did, and see you in the next one.